This is a wonderful question that we have under calculus. We want to find the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. The question is saying, given that the equation of a curve is y is equal to 3x squared plus 4x plus 1, find the equation of the tangent at the point where x is equal to 2, the normal. So we want to find the equation of the normal at the point where x is equal to 4. So these are the questions that we are given. We want to find the equation of the tangent at the point where x is 4 and the normal at the point where x is 4. These are the two questions that I want to explain. So I just want you to follow me clearly and attentively even as I teach you how to answer this particular question. Whenever you see such a question, you are given a code, you are given the value for x. So x, we are told that is 4. We need to find the value for y. So how do we find the value for y? You check this equation. Where there is x, you shall put what? 4. This is what we are doing. So we are saying 3, where there is x there, we are putting a 4. So 4 squared plus 4 times 4 plus 1. This is what we are doing. So when you punch this on your calculator, or you can just work out this, you know this is 16. 16 by 3, that is 48. 48 plus 16 plus 1. This is what we are doing. So what answer are we getting here? We say y is equal to, so when you add here, you're getting 17. So we are saying that 48 plus 17, here this is 15, 5, remainder 1. We say this is 5 plus there 65. So we are getting what? We are getting 65. So meaning that the answer here is what? 65. Y is equal to what? 65. So on this coordinate that we have for x, we know that y is what? 65. So a coordinate that we are now talking about, we are going to say that where they are saying x was 4, so 4 comma what? 65. This is a coordinate we are going to use. Even here 4 comma what? 65. So this is a coordinate to be used. So whenever you are not given a coordinate, you need to find the coordinate. Once you do this, then you go to this equation, you get the equation y is equal to 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. Then you do what? You differentiate. How do you differentiate this? You say dy dx is equal to 2 times 3, that is 6x. You remove 1, here you just maintain a 1. Plus, what is the derivative of 4x? It is just what? It is just 4. I believe we know how to differentiate. For us to be looking at the equation of the normal and the equation of the tangent, we need to know how to differentiate. From here, we find the gradient. So this thing that is here, it is called the gradient function. This thing here is called the gradient function. So this one is just the same as m, the gradient, which is equal to, where there is x, we shall put a 4. We know that this is x, this is y. So what we are going to do is that where there is x, we put a 4. So 6 times 4 plus what? Plus 4. What answer are we getting? We are getting our answer 28. This is the gradient 1. So this gradient 1 can just help us to find the equation of the tangent. Make sure you get this. So how do you find the equation of the tangent? You say y minus y1 is equal to gradient, open bracket, x minus x1, like this. Where we are going to say this is x1, that is y1. So you say y minus, what is y1? 65. So you put a 65 here, which is equal to, what is your gradient? 28. I do this. X maintains minus, what is my x1? My x1 is what? 4. I put my 4 there. I do this. So I say this is y. This 65 goes to the other side of the equation. So this is equal to what? 28 times x, that is 28x. 28 times 4. So 28 times 4, here 32, 2 remainder 3. this one 8 plus 3 11, so 112. So I say minus what? 112. Then this one is coming here as what? Plus. Since it is negative, so when it crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive. It is negative, crosses the equal sign, becomes positive. So plus what? 65. So meaning that y is equal to, here we are saying minus. Different signs we subtract, then maintain the sign of a bigger number. So minus 65. This one, it is 12. 12 minus 5, you get a 7. Then this one 10. 10 minus 6, it is 4. So the answer is what? The answer is 47. So it is 28x minus sign of a bigger number, so minus 47. I don't know if you followed this. So this is the answer that we get. So this one here is called what? Equation of the tangent. This is how you find equation of the tangent. It is called equation of the what? Equation of the tangent. These are procedures that you need to do or put in place. Equation of the tangent. Just like this. This is how we find the equation of the tangent. How can you find the equation of the normal? You need to find gradient 2. So how then do you find gradient 2? This is what you are going to say. This is what you are going to do. You say gradient 1 and gradient 2. When you multiply them, you get negative 1. This is to tell you that equation of the normal and the equation of the tangent are perpendicular to each other. When you multiply their gradient, you are going to get negative 1. So gradient 1, we already have 28 there. So 28 m2, which is equal to what? Negative 1. Since we want to find m2, what do? We divide both sides by 28. Even here we divide by what? 28. Such that 28 cancel out. Then we are going to have our gradient 2, which is equal to negative 1 over what? 28. This is now the gradient that we are going to use for us to find what? Equation of the normal. So for you to find the equation of the normal, you need to have gradient 2. So you get to use this formula that I've put here so that you come up with the gradient 2. Once you do this, you can now proceed and go to this formula. Now you repeat the same formula. So I want you to confirm with my answers. I can make a mistake even as I'm calculating. So I say y minus y1 is equal to m open bracket x minus x1. Same formula. So this is the equation of the what? Equation of the normal. So I want us to answer this together. This is the equation of the normal. We say y minus, what is y1? y1, we know that this is what? 65, which is equal to gradient negative 1 over 28. I do this. X maintains minus x1, it is 4. This is what I'm going to do. I do this. So this is y is equal to, this one goes to the other side of the equation. Negative 1 over 28, I'm going to get what? Negative 1 over 28 multiplied by x. Negative 1, that one becomes a what? A positive. I know that here I'm going to have 4 over what? 28 plus this one that has come this side plus what? 65, like this. Where you now say y is therefore equal to negative 1 over 28. X plus what answer you get in this side. So when you evaluate this part, the answer that you need to get, so kindly confirm with me, you are going to get 456 over 7. So meaning that this is the equation of the what? Equation of the normal. This is how you get to find equation of the normal. So this is the equation of the what? Equation of the normal. This is what you are supposed to know. Those of you that wants to join us, you WhatsApp me on this number. This is my WhatsApp number. I'm here to help you get distinctions in mathematics and sciences. This is my number, 09066747. This is my number. Thank you so much.